Hello, I am Pradeep বিশ্বাস. My roll number 4348, 69A batch, Department of Tripoli. Today I am going to present my case study on power system operation and control. This is the list of contents, index, figures, equation and math with the page numbers. Lesson 1. Name of the topics: load forecasting, classification of load forecasting, forecasting procedure. Lesson 2. Characteristics of manpower generation, steam unit, system variables, optimum dispatch formulation, input-output characteristics curves of steam unit, incremental fuel cost curve, incremental efficiency. Lesson 3. Developing the mathematical for economical load dispatch, 3.1 problem, 3.2 problem, 3.3 problem and solution. Lesson 4. Unit commitment. Necessity of unit commitment, factors affecting unit commitment, spinning reserve, startup cost, computation, process of unit commitment. Lesson 5. Economic load dispatch problem 5.1. Combination of the units and their status for the dispatch of a 660 megawatt load. Table 5.1, figure 5.1, simple peak valley load pattern versus VC operation of simple peak valley load pattern. Table 5.2, shutdown rule derivation. Figure 5.2, VC schedule using the shutdown rule. Priority list method. Table 6.1, full load average production cost. Table 6.2, rearranging the table 6.1 based on average production cost. Table 6.3, combination of units for the load from 12002 to 400 megawatt. Table 6.4, shutdown rule for the load from 12000 to 500 megawatt. Lesson 7. Load frequency control, necessity of maintaining frequency constant. Lesson 8. Governor characteristics. Figure 8.1, characteristics of a typical governor. Figure 8.2, speed governor settings, PF control, QV control, generator controllers, PF and QV controllers. Figure 8.3, generator controllers, PF and QV controllers. Lesson 9, speed governor system. Figure 9.1, speed governor system. Example 9.1, example 9.2. Lesson 10, generator equation. Example 10.1. Lesson 11, power system security, operational planning, DN line operation, security analysis. Lesson 1, load forecasting. The estimation of electric load in advance is commonly known as load forecasting. It is necessity for power system planning. Purpose of load forecasting. Purpose of load forecasting for proper planning of power system. Number 1. Number 2. For proper planning of transmission and distribution facilities. Number 3. For proper power system operation. Number 4. For proper financing. Number 5. For proper manpower development. Number 6. For proper grid formation. Number 7. For proper electrical cells. And this is the details of this load forecasting. Classification of load forecasting: demand forecast, energy forecast, forecasting procedure, short term, medium, intermediate term, Long term technique. Here lesson 2, characteristics of power generation steam unit. This is the figure of thermal generation system. I am not going to go into detail about the topics. I am just saying the title of topics. System variables, optimum dispatch formulation, and this is the figure of unit input output characteristics of a steam unit. This is the cost curve. Incremental efficiency. Lesson 3, important equation, problem 1 and solution, problem 2 and solution, problem 3 and solution, lesson 4, unit commitment, necessity of unit commitment, factor affecting unit commitment, spinning reserve, startup cost, computational process of unit commitment. Lesson 5, example, important equation, table, figure of simple peak valley load pattern. Table 2, shutdown rule derivation. Figure UC schedule using the shutdown rule. Lesson 6, priority list method. Table 6.1, table 6.2, table 6.3, table 6.4. Lesson 7, load frequency control. Necessity of maintaining frequency constant. Lesson 8, governor characteristics. PF control, QV control, generator controllers, figure, PF and QV controllers. Lesson 9, speed governing system. Figure speed governor system. Example 9.1 and solution. Example 9.2 and solution. Lesson 10. Example 10.1 solution. Lesson 11, power system security, operational planning, online operation, security analysis. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.